Introducing Amazon Wholesale Automation. Hey guys, Katie here at Elite Automation. So we're going to be talking about how we are building clients' Amazon stores from scratch, managing them, and scaling them. But before we get started, there's a few things that I want you to know. This is a done-for-you service, meaning that we do just about everything for you, from A to Z. You essentially come in as a silent investor and put your money where your mouth is, and we do all the work for you. Number two, this is a proven model that produces largely passive income and profits every single month. Number three, you don't do any of the work or manage any of the employees. Again, I just want to reiterate, this is a done-for-you service, which means it is more of a high-ticket service. Since we run and manage the Amazon business on your behalf, if you're just getting started with e-commerce and you want to learn and take a course, then this is not for you. This is, again, a high-ticket, done-for-you service. So a few requirements to qualify for this particular service. Number one, having a credit score of at least 650 is going to allow us to obtain enough credit to be able to scale the online business. Number two, your annual take-home income needs to exceed $80,000. Take home. We do not want you to be investing in something that you cannot afford. So I want to repeat that one more time. If you're not making at least $80,000 in income that you take home every single year, then we do not want your money. We're not looking to take on clients where this will be an issue for them. This is the type of investment similar to a franchise or even to real estate, but it's just online where you earn largely passive profits each month. Number three, you have a minimum of $40,000 liquid in your bank account right now, ready to go and willing to make work for you. Moving forward. So who is this service perfect for? This is perfect for someone who has at least $40,000 in liquid capital, ready to leverage and produce largely passive income. Right now, this is the perfect scenario. Our service is perfect for someone who doesn't want to invest a ton of time into a new business venture and wants us to operate and build a passive income stream for them. Now, before I explain how our service works more in depth, I need to reiterate this. I'm going to reiterate this one more time because I don't want to waste any of your time and I don't want you to waste any of our time. Do not watch this video if you don't have at least $40,000 in liquid capital. Number two, do not watch this video if you do not have a good credit score. And number three, do not watch this video if you're going to book a call and then not show up. We want to be extremely respectful of your time and we ask you to be extremely respectful of ours as well. Number four, do not watch this video if you're not liquid and you don't want to get started in the next 30 days. We're only looking for people that are ready to partner with us this month and move forward. We don't want to partner in the next year or the next 3 months or the next 6. We're ready to go, and our prices change very, very fast based on demand. So if you're ready to go right now and you're ready for this opportunity, this is perfect for you. So moving on to how this works. It's very simple. We build valued clients' cash flowing stores on Amazon from scratch. We use a 2-step wholesale dropshipping method using our exclusive wholesale FBM strategy. This means we list items for sale on your Amazon store and only buy inventory from our suppliers that are proven to sell through quickly. You never see or touch the items you're selling. Our wholesale suppliers through our exclusive network do all the prepping and shipping of items for you. We fully manage the store's operations for you. We drive all the shop traffic, implement influencer marketing, source profitable products, manage customer service, handle order and fulfillment logistics, generate your monthly sales and profit tracker, and much more. Items in your store are very likely to sell out within 60 days compared to most other management providers where inventory sits for 6 months or more. We have been around the longest and have a great track record. So if you meet all these requirements and are interested in our business model, this will be the most important video you watch all year. Online businesses, especially e-commerce stores, are the best industry to be involved in no matter the time of year. Let's take a look at some comparisons. A comparison I want to make is the real estate market versus these online Amazon stores. If you buy an Amazon store, they churn out so much more money than real estate that you can essentially do a 20, 30, even 40% return in a single year. Obviously, it's dependent upon the store and working capital used. If you're going to invest into traditional investments, it's going to be pretty low, usually under 10%. Now let's also compare e-commerce stores versus crypto. So crypto is obviously extremely volatile, it's unpredictable, you have no idea what the return may be, and you're essentially just gambling. Whereas an e-commerce store, you're buying something that already works. It's already proven that it works, and we are essentially rinsing and repeating our proven process so the store will sell items and generate you profits. So you're probably wondering how you can get involved with us building and managing your own Amazon business online. And I'll tell you right now, all you have to do is hire us to build it out for you from A to Z, and you can reap all the benefits. So if you're interested in owning your own Amazon store with us, we will do everything for you, and you can earn a piece of that $1 trillion e-commerce pie. Most of our clients on average are making an extra $2,000 to $5,000 a month in pure profit doing this business model with us. Of course, there are several with massive inventory budgets that we scale to much larger profits, but we like to underpromise and overdeliver at the end of the day. So why are we different from everyone else? We have been in the e-commerce automation space the longest of any other management provider. We are very professional in everything we do, and the client's needs always come first. We are extremely transparent and communicative. All of our clients have access to a 24/7 group chat with our operations team and their account manager for communication. On average, our stores' profit margins are 15 to 20%. And lastly, again, this is a largely passive income opportunity that is a unique offer. We scale stores to 6 and even 7 figures depending on working capital. Our profit split every month is a 60-40 split, meaning we do all the work essentially, and you keep 60% of the net profits the store generates every month. We send you an invoice for the other 40% as our management fee. So next steps to get started, if this is interesting to you, all you have to do is click the link, fill out the application to book a call, and qualify for a spot. So talk with our team and get started today. Now, there's something I need to be very specific about, and that's that we only have limited spots available, so we're not going to be able to manage an infinite number of stores. We're going to take a limited partners on, and we're going to scale multiple stores as much as possible. So if you're one of those people that likes to take action, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. So please fill out the form, schedule a call, jump on a call with our team, and we'll see if we are the right fit. We look forward to speaking with you.